Herbivory is one of the determinants of a savanna structure. Large as well as small herbivores play a fundamental role in shaping this structure. Extensive research has been done on large herbivores like the African elephant, whereas small herbivores have been understudied like the Cape porcupine. The Cape porcupine is a generalist forager. With that being said, this animal utilizes other food sources in the case of shortage of food. The study was aimed at identifying the tree species the porcupine targets during the dry season. The study was conducted in 3 different sites, that is Gauteng and KwaZulu-Natal. 30 by 30 meter transects were laid, and in those transects the impacted trees were identified per site. The scar measurements were taken, and these comprised of the height as well as the width. Dung samples were collected along the transect, and these were further taken to the lab for analysis to quantify how much of the woody material is found in their diet during the dry season. This study is mainly descriptive. The results indicated that there was a lot of scarring at Beasley compared to the 2 other study sites, and they also indicated that different tree species are targeted according to the region. That is, in Gauteng, the animal was targeting Vachelia robusta, Vachelia carew, as well as Dombea, whereas in Gosi State it was mainly focusing on Spirostachys africana. It is, however, evident from the dung samples that during the dry season, the diet is mainly composed of woody material. The study was able to find that because the diet of porcupines is mainly composed of woody material during the dry season, one could come to a conclusion that although their impact would be very small, they do, however, ameliorate bush encroachment through thinning as well as ring barking. Although these small herbivores are considered pests in agriculture, they do play a role in decreasing bush encroachment in the areas that were studied on this experiment.